In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic molality. Let us see the definition of molality. Molality is denoted by small letter m, and it is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent or else 1 kilogram of solvent. Molality is different from molarity. In the previous video, we have seen about the molarity, where the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is known as molarity. There it was solution, here we are taking solvent. In molarity it was solution, whereas in molality it is solvent. In molarity it was in liter, whereas in molality it is in kg. Remember these two basic differences between the molarity and molality. Molality is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Here we are taking solvent, in that solvent we are dissolving solute, and the solvent in molality is taken in kilograms. And when it comes to the units of molality are moles per kg. As we have taken solvent in terms of kgs and number of moles, so we are going to get the units for molality as moles per kg. Here also the number of moles can be calculated by using the formula number of moles is equal to weight by molar mass. This is molality. Let us see one more formula which we are going to use when the mass of the solvent is given in terms of grams. Let us see here. As we know, molality is denoted by small m. It is equal to the number of moles of solute by mass of the solvent in kg. But if the mass of the solvent is given in terms of grams, we are going to use the formula weight by molar mass of into 1000 by mass of the solvent in grams. Whenever the mass of the solvent is given in terms of grams and the weight of the solute is given in the question, we are going to use this formula weight by molar mass of the solute into 1000 by mass of the solvent in grams. Now let us see a problem related to the molality. Here on the board a question is given. Calculate the molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. Here ethanoic acid is present in benzene. The solvent is benzene and the solute is ethanoic acid. The first thing which we have to do is, we know the weight of ethanoic acid. We have to calculate the molar mass of ethanoic acid so that we can find out the number of moles of ethanoic acid. As we know, the formula for ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. If you see here, in the previous video also we have seen how to calculate the molar mass. Here in ethanoic acid we have 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. So we are going to multiply 2 into 12 because 2 is the number of carbon atoms and 12 is the mass of carbon atom, plus 4 into 1 because 4 is the number of hydrogen atoms present in ethanoic acid and 1 is the mass of hydrogen atom, plus 2 into 16, that is 2 is the number of oxygen atom and 16 is the mass number of oxygen atom. When we multiply and add these values, we are going to get 60, which is the molar mass of ethanoic acid. Remember, molar mass of ethanoic acid is 60 grams per mole. In the question he has given you the weight of the solute, that is ethanoic acid. Weight is 2.5 grams. Molar mass we have calculated just now, it is 60 grams per mole, and the mass of the solvent, that is mass of the benzene, which is 75 grams. When we substitute these values in the formula, molality is equal to weight by molar mass of solute into 1000 by mass of solvent in grams. We are going to get 2.5 by 60 into 1000 by 75, which is equal to 0.556 moles per kg. It is the molality of 2.5 grams ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. This is how we are going to calculate the molality. In the next coming video, we are going to see about the solubility.